Ultra-Hard Top S4 is a safe and effective way to store flammables and other hazardous materials. The heavy-duty steel construction provides secure outdoor containment for up to 4 55-gallon drums. The hydraulic lid with a 52-inch door opening allows for quick and easy loading. The positive latching doors secure 2 points, one at the top of the unit and one at the bottom sump, and can be further secured with a standard padlock to prevent theft or unauthorized access. Removable grating makes cleanup quick and easy. Heavy-duty steel construction provides years of service life. The 100% leak-free tested containment sump meets SPCC and EPA spill containment regulations.